Are you making the most of the pennies you're already spending with Acorns Round UPS? For me, the Acorns Round UPS feature is the best part of the app. It's the simplest form of automated, set-it-and-forget-it micro-investing out there. You link your cards, you spend $4.25, and Acorns automatically finds the remaining 75 cents and invests it into your portfolio. It feels like free money because you barely notice it's gone. But here's the thing, most people just turn it on and walk away, leaving a lot of potential on the table. After using this feature for years, I've found a few simple ways to supercharge it. Actionable Strategy 1, the multiplier. The first and most impactful step is to stop using the basic $1 roundup. Go into your settings and turn on the multiplier. How I use it, I personally set my round UPS to 3x, 3 times. This means my 75 cents becomes $2.25. My 5 cents roundup becomes 15 cents. Why this works, it doesn't sound like a huge difference, but when you look at it over a week or a month, especially if you use your card frequently, it radically increases your investment speed. It turns a negligible amount of investing into a truly noticeable automated savings plan. Actionable Strategy 2, Round UPS versus recurring investments. Understand that Round UPS should be considered your bonus fund, not your primary investing strategy. Mistake I avoided. When I first started, I thought Round UPS alone would build my wealth. That's a mistake. The real power of Acorns is pairing the two. The best combo, use your Round UPS, especially with the multiplier, as your fun, low-friction, daily micro-investment stream. But you must combine this with a weekly or bi-weekly recurring investment of a set amount, say, $20 to $50. This guarantees consistent market participation regardless of how much or how little you spend. Round UPS become the gravy on top of your committed recurring investment. Actionable Strategy 3, the wait, did I link that? Check. You need to link every single payment method you use. Every single one. My discovery, for a while, I only had my main checking account and debit card linked. But then I realized I was leaving money behind every time I used a specific credit card to pay for gas to get the cash back or points. The rule, go into the linked accounts section and link every single card you use to make a purchase, even if it's not the card the money is drawn from. Acorns will track the roundup from the linked purchase card and pull the investment cash from your funding source, usually your checking account. Don't let a single transaction slip by. Actionable Strategy 4, using the one-time roundup. This is an often overlooked tool for quick boosts. My hack, I use this feature anytime I get a small unexpected payout, like a small bonus at work, or when I sell something on a marketplace like Facebook or eBay. How to execute, instead of sending the full amount to your main savings, use the one-time or lump sum investment feature in Acorns. If I get $100, I'll send $20 of it straight to Acorns. It keeps the investment mindset separate from my immediate savings, ensuring some portion of any windfall is immediately put to work for my future. Conclusion. Ultimately, the best way to use Acorns Round UPS is to be aggressive with the settings and diligent with your linked accounts. Turn on the multiplier, link every card, and use it in conjunction with a set recurring investment. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.